everyone! The whole idea is to really cook with you, decorate with you, and also bring you those delicious flavors right at home. So first of all, I'm going to show you the Madeleines Premix. It's pretty special because usually for Madeleines, our usual steps would be to have the eggs together with the sugar and kind of whip that up and make it kind of ribbony. And then we put in the dry ingredients, which is flour, baking powder, some vanilla, and then we put in some zest, which is like orange or lemon, so it gets that freshness, and the melted butter last. But with this premix, it's really special. It's just maybe a minute of prep. So we've got all the ingredients ready for you. Inside here, this makes about 35 pieces. So we're just gonna pour that all in. I've got 2 eggs ready. There we go. And I'm just gonna crack the eggs, but before I do that, I've got butter and also my honey in a pot. And I'm just gonna actually heat that up really quick. And it boils basically in a minute, so watch it really quick. I don't even need to stir it, I'm just gonna shake it out. So there we go. Now I'll just show it to you. In a minute, this is gonna be done. Crack 2 eggs. Nice and fresh. Each egg weighs about 50 to 55 grams. And watch your butter. So now my butter is almost melted. I'm going to show you. And I use unsalted butter. And that's, we use butter from Australia. So here we go. Just going to swirl it. You can just use any normal honey. No need to be too expensive. There we go. Add a little bit of sweetness to it. Now in this recipe it has brown sugar. Okay. Really easy. And we're just going to mix that up. So this is kind of the texture that you want. As long as all the eggs and also the butter is incorporated, that's great. I have my piping bag ready and a spatula, that's what you need. So now at Bake at Home, we basically provide you everything. We're not a grocery store, we are selling products, but the whole idea is for you to get accessible ingredients and equipment, but just really about bringing the experience right to your doorstep. Now each of them weighs like 6-7 grams, and you want to pipe it all the way to the top so you get that little nice crust on the top. Now I've already preheated my oven to about 180 degrees. There we go. Now I like to flavor it actually with lemon zest and orange, but I'm just going to show you the simple version now. And so see it. Now I got my tray ready. So we prepared like different types of molds. If you don't have any molds at home, it will be nice to get a Madeleine mold. But if you don't, you can get one of these little cups, and you can still pipe them. And if not, small little cupcake holders, that could work as well. But this is really useful, so you can make really nice, delicious Madeleines at home. All right, so I'm just gonna pipe them out really quick. I also do put a little bit of green tea powder if you want that, or cocoa powder, and that's really nice as well. So you can see I fill it right to the top. We also have our chocolate paint ingredients available at Bake at Home. You just need to buy white chocolate, color, and also flavors. We do sell flavorings as well, and you can paint your Madeleines, decorate on it. And if you want to keep it for the next day, you can do so, but you just need to microwave it. So put it in a microwave for just like 8 seconds, and it's super delicious. Now I'm going to set this in the oven. I'll be right back. Alright, so super nice smelling. Here we go. So this is actually baked 180 degrees. Depends on your oven. You can actually bake it in 6 minutes, 7 minutes, or even up to 10 to 12 minutes. So really keep an eye on it. When it's kind of risen up, you kind of want to just kind of prick it and then see if it's all cooked. but it's quite fast. So I'm just gonna throw them all out here. With this silicone mat, you don't really need to spray any oil or anything. It comes out really nice. And you can see we have different shapes and stuff. I've got my icing sugar ready as well. And it's so fresh. I love the buttery flavor and smell. This is awesome. So you kind of want to also get that little crust on top. I love it when it's crusty as well. So here we go, I'm going to decorate it. I got some rose petals, icing sugar, like about 6 grams each, even up to 5 grams. For these molds, you can even put a little decoration on top. I pipe it sometimes with custard. That's it, just a little bit of icing sugar on top. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of the rose petals. These are dried rose petals, edible. It's really nice. Put them around. Decorate them with a little bit of rose buds. There we go. There we go. Thank you guys. See you soon again.